Today at CRKT we're showing you the Amicus Everyday Carry Folding Knife. It's a pretty beefy folder, but it's got a cool minimalist design with clean lines created by Scandinavian designer Jesper Voxnäs. The modified drop point blade has a satin finish, and the handles have a cool stonewash texture to them that you can see in the light here. The handles also come with a integrated lanyard hole in the back here and some jimping for grip on the aluminum backspacer. Also, this knife was designed for the outdoors by Jesper, who spends a lot of time on his boat, and he wanted a good, useful, functional knife that he could use in a variety of cutting tasks. The knife does feature a frame lock that has an over travel stop for safety, which you can see here. And the frame lock secures the blade open and can be, when you want to close the knife, you just push this frame lock over and that disengages the blade. The Amicus comes with a two-position pocket clip. It starts with a right hand tip-up carry, but also features the ability to become a tip-down carry, which you can change here. And then the knife also comes in a triple-point serrated edge for cutting materials like webbing and thick rope. So there's two versions. And open, this knife measures in over 8 inches, and the blade accounts for about 3.4 of those inches. We also have a new version coming out with a G10 handle scale that is great for grip in wet conditions. It's a slightly more compact version, equally as useful every day or in the field. It's also designed with those cool, clean lines and no frills, characteristic of the Jesper Voxnäs style. Thanks for watching, and thank you for carrying CRKT.
This is the Ayako from Gerber. We're starting to see Japanese-style folders catching on in the EDC community. We wanted to take that look and add some Gerber utility to it. That meant adding a durable steel blade you can access with a unique front flip or a thumb hole nail nick. It's also got machined aluminum scales, a sturdy pocket clip, and is available in 2 colors. Lightweight and loaded with style, the Ayako has everything the EDC user needs.
An unparalleled combination of affordability and performance, the Tenacious is the go-to choice of countless savvy knife users. This all-new lightweight version raises the bar even further with injection-molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle scales that reduce the knife's overall weight by almost 10% and offer the enhanced grip traction of Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern. All other features are consistent with the original model, including a full flat ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, full skeletonized stainless steel liners, a 4-position pocket clip, a sturdy liner lock, and a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge blade configurations. It also comes with a choice of a satin finish or stealthy black oxide coating.
Hi, my name is Richard Rogers and I live on a ranch near Magdalena, New Mexico. One of my new knives for Columbia River this year is the Inara. This was designed as a nice, thin, lightweight gentleman's type of knife. The top of the knife is a one long curve and the bottom is it's essentially flat. So you just have 2 long lines in the open position. Just very clean. You can put pressure on the thumb stud and flip it open. The action's really quick and snappy. It also has grooves in the blade that are designed to be grasped so you can open it slowly if you so desire.